Welcome to AutoCAD 3D modeling. For this model, you can see circle command and arc commands are also applicable. So let's begin with the model. In 3D modeling workbench, like always, try to select SE isometric view and in this, you need to select the line command and first of all, take the length 15, then 10, then 30, then 10, and then 15. So line command 0 tab 0. First of all, start your orthographic projection. So 15 in 0 degree, then 10 in y-axis, then 30 in x-axis. Zoom out and here. Perfect. Then 10 and 15 once again. 10, 15, and then it is 38 on both sides. So straight line 38 on both sides and 38 in this axis as well. On y-axis 38, enter, and then stop. Now, next is to make an arc of radius 30 degree because we don't exactly know the center point for the circle, but we do have an assumption, a hint that these two circles are concentric to each other, but the arrow is not exactly pointing at the center point. So it is better to take this 30-degree radius as an arc. So in the circle option from draw panel, you have circle options. So go for 1010 radius command. It asks you to specify on object for first tangent of the circle. So choose this first line and specify the second tangent. So second tangent will be this line. And now give the radius of the circle, which is 30, and then enter. Let's do it once again. Tangent, tangent, and 30 degree. Okay, this is not working in SE isometric view. So I do prefer to go in the top view like this. And hopefully it will work from here. Okay, so tangent, tangent, and 30. It is not working from here. So we can use it asks you to specify endpoint of the circle's diameter. So this endpoint and this endpoint, and let's see what is the measurement of the circle using the radius command of the circle. Here it is. And increase or set the dimension styles to, let's say, 3, and arrow size 2. Perfect. This is 30 exactly. So instead of using 10 radius this time, we have used 2 point circles. So by connecting these 2 points, I just draw the circle, and after checking its measurement, we do exactly have 30-degree center point. So quickly use the trim command to trim off the extra parts of the circle like this. And it's time for the center circle. So what is the exact center point of the circle is basically, if you notice, this whole side is 15, 30, and 15. It means this is 60 altogether. And the center point is tracing from here. So the center point for this circle will be, you have, this is x-axis. So in x-axis, this will be 30 midway and 38 in y-axis. So this will be your center point for the circle, 30, 38, and then radius is 15. So radius with center point. Center point is 30, tab 38. That is exactly. You see the circles are concentric to each other, though we will not sure about that, but now it is confirmed. Now the radius is 15, that's it. And then coming back into your SE isometric view like this. You can also mentions the dimension at this point if you want. So like this. This is 30, and this is again 15. Perfect. And last but not the least, this point, this intersection point is 38, and the radius for this inner circle, that is of course 15. Perfect. Next, and the last step is to apply the extrude command by the height of 20. But before using that, one important step is to join all separate single arrangements to consider it as one single model. You see? So just go for the join command from modify panel and select all the separated parts of 2D model in one go. Just And now apply the extrude. Because of this dimension, it is creating a certain problem. So delete this one for a while and again use the join command. Like this. Perfect. How much you want to extrude is by 20. So 20 like this. And okay, this is one surface model because the line is not joined from this point. So undo and we will go back and we'll see. You see this line is not connected. So again, use the join command. And this time, make sure to connect this one and also this one and press enter. And then apply extrude once again by 20. And now see this. Okay, now it's time to show you something that this circle is present over here, which we want to or which we require to make a hole. So the circle is here uh, at the bottom surface. So at this point, you can do one more thing is that you can trace this center point and using the radius of 15, the circle is again here. And now it's time to use the press and pull command to create this hole. Use the selected bounded area. If you take the circle upward, it will give you an extrusion of this circular part, circular cylinder only. And if you take this in negative z-axis, it will create a hole uh, like if I show you like this, press enter, and then you see here is your hole like this. So from bottom, it is also here. Probably the center point is dislocated somehow. So it is not a big deal. You can use this side and then you can apply press and pull command. Perfect. So now revolve and see the circle is the hole in this 3D model of radius 15 is very much here. So now set it again on as the isometric view, but the circle is not that much clearly in your vision. So this is, I guess, the perfect view. So I hope this one is also easy for you. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.